Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode, well the first actual coding episode of the Ruby from Scratch video. So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about installation and how you can get set up. So I actually showed you guys how to set up Ruby in another video I made. So I'm going to reference that video in the description below. So check that out if you want to know how to install Ruby on your system. At least we showed it for the Mac, and we have episodes for Ubuntu and Windows coming soon as well. But I just want to mention that once you have Ruby installed, you should be able to type in ruby-v and you see the version. Right now I've got 2.6 installed. And the easiest way to play with Ruby is once it's installed, you can type IRB. And this is the interactive Ruby shell that you can type in Ruby commands. And I can do something like puts hello world. So I actually type code into here and it'll evaluate the code and it'll run. And then if everything's working, you'll see something that looks like this. So I can even assign a variable. So I can do something like a number equals 1 and then another number equals 2. So what you're seeing here is how you assign a variable. And basically, we use snake case in Ruby. So this is the kind of like the convention in the language. So when you see a lot of Ruby code written by Ruby programmers, they'll be using snake case. So what is snake case? Well, if you look at this over here, using underscore. So basically, in some languages, they'll have what's called a camel case. So something like another number. So we don't do that in Ruby. We use snake case, which is what you're looking at over here with the underscore and lowercase alphabets. So OK, let's try and add a number. So number plus another number equals 3. So it's really that simple. So also I want to mention another concept inside of Ruby, which is that everything is an object. Now what that means is you can have attributes for almost everything. So even this number here, so for example, number 2, the class is an integer class. But the fact that I can call .class on the number means that it's an object because I can call functions and do all kinds of stuff on the object itself. So that's what it means, when people say in Ruby that everything is an object. I'm going to pause this video right here because it's supposed to be bite-sized. And with that, I want to wrap up this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, like, share, and subscribe. Become a member on our site for $9 a month to get access to more content, more videos, more Rails videos, more Ruby videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.